Tesla has been hyping up its self-driving future for years, but now, the Robotaxi, Tesla's autonomous ride-hailing dream, is actually rolling out. Is it really the future of transportation, or just smoke and mirrors? Today, we dive deep into the truth about Tesla's Robotaxi. First, what exactly is Tesla's Robotaxi? It's a ride-hailing service powered by Tesla's own vehicles running full self-driving software. The big vision is simple. Tesla's driving themselves 24/7, giving rides when owners aren't using them, turning each car into a potential profit generator. Tesla also introduced a purpose-built autonomous vehicle called the Cybercab, a car with no pedals and no steering wheel. It's expected to enter volume production between 2025 and 2026. Elon Musk claims the Cybercab will cost under $30,000 and operate extremely cheaply per mile, around 20 cents. The launch is starting small. Tesla is currently testing the service in Austin, Texas, with a limited fleet. For now, many rides still include a human safety monitor in the car. The company's goal is to expand to 8 to 10 metro areas by the end of 2025, including places like Nevada, Florida, and Arizona. Why is Tesla betting so heavily on Robotaxi? Because this isn't just about selling cars. It's a shift to transportation as a service. An autonomous ride-hailing network could generate far more revenue than traditional car sales. And since the cars are electric, a Robotaxi fleet could reduce emissions and support more sustainable urban mobility. Another major advantage is Tesla's data. With millions of cars on the road, Tesla collects a massive amount of real-world driving footage. That data continuously trains its full self-driving neural networks, potentially giving Tesla a large lead over competitors. But there are real challenges. Regulators are watching closely. The NHTSA is investigating Tesla's FSD software, especially in low-visibility scenarios, and has sent detailed questions about how Tesla plans to use FSD in a Robotaxi fleet. Even in states where Tesla has self-certified, full commercial approval still requires regulatory clearance. There's also the safety monitor issue. Today, many Robotaxi rides include a human in the passenger seat with access to a kill switch. Elon Musk says Tesla hopes to phase out these monitors by the end of 2025, but that's a huge leap and a huge risk from both a safety and liability standpoint. Some experts are skeptical that Tesla's system is truly ready for unsupervised autonomy. There may still be teleoperators behind the scenes helping in edge case situations. Musk has a history of making bold promises about autonomy timelines, and some analysts believe he's being overly optimistic again. From an ethical perspective, questions also remain about responsibility. When an automated system makes a decision humans don't expect, trust breaks, and in a crash, who is really accountable? The occupant, Tesla, or the AI system? Now, let's look at the potential upside. If Tesla succeeds, the Robotaxi could disrupt the entire ride-hailing industry. A cheap, fully electric autonomous taxi could drastically reduce ride costs. Millions of future Teslas could operate as robotaxis when not being used, turning cars into income-generating assets. Cities could change too. With autonomous fleets constantly in use, parking lots and garages might shrink, making space for parks or public areas. Traffic patterns could evolve and overall car ownership might decline. Beyond transportation, the Robotaxi program accelerates Tesla's AI development. All the data, all the edge cases, and all the real-world driving help train neural networks that may also power other Tesla projects. including the Optimus humanoid robot. So here's the reality. Tesla's Robotaxi is partially live, but not fully autonomous everywhere. Safety monitors are still part of many rides. The technology is impressive, but far from perfect, especially in difficult conditions. Regulators remain cautious, and Tesla's timelines are famously ambitious. Even if a full commercial rollout doesn't happen by next year, the direction is clear. Tesla's driving themselves, generating value, and redefining what owning a car means. Tesla's Robotaxi vision could transform how we travel, how cities operate, and how we think about mobility. There's massive potential and massive risk. Whether Tesla delivers on all its promises remains to be seen. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Will Tesla's Robotaxi truly replace Uber, or is this all hype?